Continuation with Sherwani. Now, I will explain you how to draw the sleeve. That is session number 11. So, this is the drafting part of the coat sleeves. So, we have to take the sleeve length measurement. O to 1 sleeve length plus 2 centimeters for seam. 1 to 2 1/6 of the chest measurement. 2 to 3 4 centimeters. 3 to 4 and 1 to 5 8 centimeters for sleeve folding. Even you can take 10 centimeters, that is 8 to 10 centimeters you can take for sleeve folding. 1 to 3 1/6 chest. 4 to 5 1/6 chest plus 4 centimeters, because the folded part will come here. So here the sleeve we are cutting a little bit crosswise. If you take just 1/6 measurement, it will come here. So you are going to get the wrinkles in the bottom folding of a sleeve. So to avoid that, 4 to 5 just keep 1/6 chest plus 3 to 4 centimeters. O to 8 half scale measurement. O to 8. O to 7 1/4 scale. 6 is midpoint of 7 to 1. 6 is midpoint of 7 to 1. 6 to 11 2.5 centimeters. 12 is midpoint of O to 8. 12 to 13 4 centimeters. So this is back sleeve shape. 12 to 13, this part we call it as a crown shape. So join the shape from 7 to 13, 13 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4, and 4 to 5. This is back sleeve shape. Now we'll move on to the front sleeve shape. To draw the front sleeve shape, first you have to construct the back part of the sleeves. And here, this is 14 is midpoint of O to 12. Square down here, 14 to 7. Once again, you come down here for 1 centimeter. 8 to 15, 2 centimeters. Mark 3-4 centimeters from 15 to 16. Join 7 to 16, 16 to 15, 15 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 4, and 4 to 5. This is the construction of the sleeve portion. Now we'll go to the band. O to 1 and 2 to 3, 4 centimeters for band. 1 to 3 and O to 2, half of the neck circumference plus 1 centimeter. 3 to 5, 1.5 centimeter. Generally, O to 1, that is 5 to 6 is same as O to 1 less half centimeter. Suppose O to 1 is 4 centimeter, 5 to 6 you take 3.5 centimeter, or even 3 centimeters we also do. So join the shapes from 1 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, and 7 to 0. Just observe the shape and draw the neckband shape. This is the construction of sleeve part and neckband. Now this is the cost estimation. So here I have taken woolen suiting material, that is about 2.5 meters. So the total cost I have mentioned here, that is 2,000 rupees. Lining fabric, it is about 1.5 meters. The cost is 200 rupees. Then other trimming materials, sewing thread, canvas, buttons, it costs about 100 rupees. Cutting charge I have mentioned here 400 rupees. Stitching charge 500 rupees, and the other finishing processes like finishing, pressing, label, packing, miscellaneous, everything it includes 200 rupees. The total cost is around about 3,400 rupees, and we have to add the profit. This is the cost estimation of Jodhpur Sherwani. You just go to the market, select some different materials, and try to know the cost of the fabric, and you make your own cost estimation of the Jodhpur Sherwani. Now here I have given some of the activities. For each activity here I have given three different sizes. So three different measurements are there. Why I have given the measurement? Because you have to practice the drafting. Already you have learned how to do the drafting of front part, how to do the drafting of back part. So you have to do the drafting, you have to practice the drafting for three different sizes. What are the measurements required for the Jodhpur Sherwani? All the measurements here I have mentioned, and even I have given the dimensions also. Refer the size chart, refer this size chart and do the drafting with 1/4 centimeter scales and 1/5 centimeter scale, whichever you feel right. Now we'll move on to the multiple choice questions. So the multiple choice questions here I have given some questions. Question number 1. Excess material kept on right side is called as dash. A is button stand, B is buttonhole stand, C is parda. And the construction in the drafting, I told we are taking 8 centimeter extra material, what we call it as parda. So the excess material we call it as a parda in Jodhpur Sherwani. Question number 2. Sherwani is stitched with dash collar, band open flat. It is with a band collar. The answer for question number 2 is A, band. Now, question number 3. Dash buttons are attached for Sherwani. 4 buttons, 5 buttons, 6 buttons. Generally, we do attach 5 buttons for Sherwani. Question number 4. Generally, dash is not kept for Sherwani. Back center vent, side opening, side slit. So it depends upon the style, but the answer is A. Back center vent is not kept for Sherwani. That is, answer for question number 4 is A. Back center vent. Question number 5. Dash is a tight fitted garment till the waistline. Yes, we find tight fitting till the waistline, and below the waistline it is a broad bottom line, or it looks like a flare. So the answer is A is close collar coat, B is Sherwani, and C is TV coat. The right answer is B, Sherwani. Question number 6. This garment is tight till the waistline and flared at the bottom. A. Close collar coat. B. Sherwani. C. Plain coat. The answer is B. Sherwani. Question number 7. Sherwani is a dash wear. A is occasional, B is national, C is outer wear. So you can consider national wear. Sherwani is our national dress, and also occasionally it is also used. But when the appropriate answer B, national wear. Question number 8. Scale is used to find out dash measurement. A. Chest, B. Waist, C. Side depth measurement. The answer is chest. Scale is used to find out side depth measurement. C. Side depth measurement. Question number 9. Last button is attached below the waistline in a dash garment. So, that is, last button is attached below the waistline in dash garment, plain coat, Sherwani, close collar coat. The answer is B, that is Sherwani. So here I have given the answers. See the answer, refer the answer, once again read the questions and try to find out the answer. Next, we'll move on to the following, that is descriptive questions. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Discuss the measurements required for Sherwani and explain the method of taking them. Just discuss yourself what are the measurements you require. You have to enlist the measurements and you have to write, you have to explain how do you measure those measurements. That is question number 1. Question number 2. Draw the style feature of Sherwani. Draw the style feature of Sherwani. Question number 3. Explain the suitable fabrics used for Sherwani. You make a list and you explain what are the fabrics you use for Sherwani. That is suitable materials, suitable fabrics used to construct the Sherwani. Question number 4. List out the trimming materials used for Sherwani. Make a list of trimming materials you are using for Sherwani. Question number 5. Estimate the cost of Sherwani. Estimate the price of a Sherwani. Question number 6. Draft a Jodhpur Sherwani for the given size. The size is mentioned here. Full length 95 centimeters, waist length 40, chest 88 centimeters, waist 78 centimeters, seat 92 centimeters, half back 17 centimeters, sleeve length 59 centimeters, neck 38 plus 2.5 centimeter, scale is 45 centimeters. So the working scale, you can use 1/5 centimeter. If you want even, you can use 1/4 centimeter. Answer all these questions immediately after seeing the e-content. So just see the questions, write the answer and practice the drafting 3-4 times. Already in the suggested activities, I have given 3 measurements. Along with the 3 measurements, you practice this one also. You do the drafting and if possible, you write the construction so you can remember the drafting as well as construction of Jodhpur Sherwani. Thank you.